Hi everybody! Today we're going to start with learning about signs for animals in the fall. So first we have a bear, an alligator, a lion, a tiger, a zebra, bird, cat, pulling the whiskers, chicken, cow. You can go cowboy or cowgirl. In the fall, you have grass or hay. You have corn in the cob. Cow, barn. If you're building a barn, you take your B hand and you just make the barn. Tractor. Apples, take your X, put it right into your cheek, apple. Hay, rides. Scarecrows. Pumpkins. Now you have a choice. Pumpkins is taking the seeds and flicking them, and usually you do orange or yellow. Most of the signs show you yellow pumpkin, but you can design orange pumpkin if you like. Rabbit, your play area in the cornfield. Goat, old and stupid. Donkey, this sign is also for stubborn. Rooster, you got a rooster. You've got chickens. Dirty P is a pig. And you have lemonade, your drink. Lemonade, a drink. And you have ducks. All of that's on the farm, and the farmer, with your agent sign on it, and you have a person, takes care of his animals on the farm. All right, bye.